Microbial Biological Fertilizers International, a leader in the global agricultural sector, commissioned power tool traders to supply and commission the Detroit 37 kilowatts variable speed drive premium screw compressor and air dryer. The Detroit Screw Compressor G2DB 50VSD is a state-of-the-art machine designed to deliver exceptional performance and energy efficiency. This feature makes it an ideal choice for industries with fluctuating air demand, ensuring optimal performance without unnecessary energy waste. From powering pneumatic equipment to facilitating precise packaging and labeling, compressed air systems are essential for maintaining seamless and efficient production lines. Power Tool Traders is proud to be an essential part of Microbial Biological Fertilizers International's production, and we look forward to being of service to your production in the future.